Hi, hello, welcome to my class on properties of alcohols. As you all know that this alcohol chemical properties of alcohol and physical properties, both I will discuss. As you know uh, that the alcohols are neutral substances. What are actually alcohols? What are actually alcohols? Alcohols are nothing but they are neutral substances. Neutral substances. And moreover, you know that lower members of alcohols are there. These lower members of alcohols are said to be actually they are in liquid state. They are in a liquid state. And moreover, you know that alcohols are having a characteristic smell, or you can also call this is a distinctive smell. Distinctive smell for the alcohols. And also one more thing that alcohols are having a burning taste. When you drink alcohol taste will be like a burning taste. And moving on to the other one, you know that alcohol higher members are there. You know more number of carbons are there. More than 12 carbons are there in the alcohol. Higher members they are said to be solids. And almost they are odorless. Almost they are odorless means they don't have any kind of smell and all. And moving on to the isomeric alcohols of primary have highest boiling points. So in the case of isomeric alcohols, if you take isomeric alcohols, in the isomeric alcohols, if it is one primary, secondary, tertiary, if all the three types of alcohols are there in an isomers of only one molecular formula, then in that what they are telling is this primary alcohols will be having a highest boiling point. They will be exhibiting highest boiling point, while that of tertiary will exhibit the lowest boiling points. And as usual, we know in between 5 minutes, secondary is there. That secondary exhibits an intermediate boiling point, intermediate boiling point to that of primary and secondary. Primary and tertiary. So, how can we justify these things? So, this is one thing. And one more point to be noticed here is some lower members are there. Like we have ethyl alcohol is a lower member. The expected volatility is not there. They are said to be less volatile in nature. So, what is this actual reason behind this one is nothing but the reason for this one is nothing but they will be associated with intermolecular intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the main reason behind that one. And but in the case of the higher members of alcohols, the higher members of alcohols are not said to exhibit the volatility more. And another thing is nothing but the chains formation is there in the kind of higher alcohols. Because of that one, these the volatile nature will differs from that of one alcohol to another alcohol depending on this intermolecular hydrogen bonding appearance in the structure. And other thing, the volatility would be expected to be low for the large molecules. Also, this is because of we can say that the large molecules giving rise to the larger molecular masses. That might be the reason. So, how that intermolecular hydrogen bond takes place? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding between these alcohol molecules can be indicated by dot line here I am showing, and these dot lines are nothing but hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding is possible when hydrogen is linked with highly electronegative elements like oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. Like water, alcohols also exhibits this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the reason behind the solubility of alcohols in water. So alcohols solubility, if you consider solubility of alcohols in water, that is more. The region also the same, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what is the actual reason? Lower alcohols are very soluble in water and solubility diminishes as the molecular weight increases. So molecular weight is increasing means what will happens? The solubility decreases in water. Oxygen atom of hydroxyl group in alcohol can form hydrogen bond with water molecule. That's what we have shown in this example diagram. So in lower alcohols, hydroxyl group constitutes large part of the molecule. So here hydroxyl group is there. Hydroxyl group contributes large part of the molecule, and the molecular weight of alcohol increases the hydrocarbon character of the molecule increases, and the solubility in water decreases. For example, if you write an alcohol like RCH2OH, if this R is CH3, then it will become CH3CH2OH. In place of that one more CH3 attached. So here we have CH3. Here one more CH3. I'm writing. Here H is there. Here OH is there. So here see the hydrocarbon number is increasing means solubility decreases. In this direction, what will happens? Solubility of alcohol in water decreases. That can be observed. So it is not the final decision. We need to check with the structure of carbon chain plays in this alcohol an important role. N-butanol is there. Suppose if you take N-butanol, fairly soluble in water. It is fairly soluble in water. Fairly soluble in water. Miscible with water in all proportions. But which one is miscible? Not N-butanol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Which is tertiary butyl alcohol? It is said to be miscible with water in all proportions. In all proportions. So here if you check with the N-butanol structure, what is N-butanol? It is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH is a straight chain. Coming to the tertiary butanol, there will be a different surface area. Here, the circular, the location of this what we call alkyl groups makes this entire surface of the molecule like a spherical one. But in the case of this primary alcohol, what we call N-butanol, the occupies larger surface area. So due to the difference, that means which is playing an important role, the structure of carbon chain is playing an important role in this case of fairly solubility of water in water of N-butanol and completely miscibility of this tertiary butyl alcohol in all proportions. Some of the alcohols are there some of the alcohols, like if you take ethyl alcohol is not a poison. It's a non-poisonous substance. It's a non-poisonous one. While that of if you take methyl alcohol, that is CH3OH, this is somewhat poisonous, and according to some of the results, this methyl alcohol is said to be causing blindness. It causes blindness. And it comes to another alcohol called as isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. So what they are telling is isopropyl alcohol is said to be also an important one, which is used for rubbing purpose. So rubbing alcohol is another name for this alcohol used in sanitizers. So no need to tell about what are sanitizers in the present corona situation. Okay. So this is important in the present industries. Coming to the another one, we you frequently call one thing that is called cholesterol. Cholesterol is an alcohol, and it is causes heart attack, which causes heart attack. So these are the some examples of the alcohols which are exhibiting the different kinds of toxic characters. So alcohols are poisonous, but ethyl alcohol is an exception in this discussion we have. So this is an exception. One question we will take. Which one of the following alcohol having highest boiling point? That is the question. Which one of the following alcohols having highest boiling point? Highest boiling point. This is the question. And we have some options are there in this question. Let us say one they are giving as methanol. The second one they are giving as ethanol. The third one they are giving as propanol. And the fourth one they are giving as isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. As you know, we have a concept is there. Methanol means that is CH3OH. What is ethanol? Ethanol is none other than C2H5OH. So C2H5, how C2H5OH will be there? That also we can write, that is CH3CH2OH. Coming to propanol, it is also the same way. This is CH3, CH2, again one more CH2OH. What about isopropyl alcohol? Isopropyl alcohol means this alcohol functional group is present on the middle carbon. So that means it is a branched one. This is branched one. When it is branched one, what will happen? According to the concept, if branching is increasing, then the whatever boiling point is there, the boiling point is set to decreases. So that's why your answer for this question is not isopropyl alcohol, as its branching is more. And moving on to the other things, not only branching case, The other things are other alcohols are straight chain, but in that which is longer chain, higher molecular mass, that is the highest boiling point. So in this A, B, C, we have C is the right option. So A, B also not the right option. C is the right option according to that concept of molecular weight. Okay. So let us see one more question we have in these properties of alcohols. They are telling there is a dimethyl ether is there and ethanol is there. They are said to be having same molecular mass, but boiling point of ethanol is greater than dimethyl ether. Cause of this is that diethyl ether. What is the cause of this? Dimethyl ether. Asking, giving four options, having less number of hydro branches, arrangement of hydrogen is different due to hydrogen bonding in alcohols. None of these. If you observe dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether is nothing but it is one kind of ether where oxygens not having any kind of hydrogen atoms to form hydrogen bonding. For example, if you take ethanol, ethyl alcohol, in that there is hydrogen is there to participate in intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So due to these reasons, it is not having hydrogen, it is having hydrogen. This hydrogen is there in the case of ethanol. Due to this hydrogen bonding only, this will takes place. That means dimethyl ether is not having higher boiling point than ethanol. Reason is nothing but hydrogen bonding only. Let us see the another question we have. Next question. The boiling points of isomeric alcohols follow this order. So, what are the boiling points of order of the isomeric alcohols? Whether it is primary, secondary, or tertiary, tertiary, secondary, primary, or secondary, tertiary, primary, does not follow any order. As you know, the boiling points of isomeric alcohols actually is depending on the van der Waals forces of the alcohols. So van der Waals forces hydrogen bonding cases are more in the case of primary alcohols, then after secondary, then after tertiary. So what will happen according to that order only this boiling points will be there. So your right answer is first one only for this question.